Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana did rally off the 10th of March lows, as you know, in 5 waves to the upside, even though it's only a diagonal pattern in my opinion that we can count here. It still is a 5-wave move, and it did hold wave 2 support here in our yellow turnaround or reversal area. Since then we have been rallying further, and I'm looking at the option of counting this as a 5-wave move here, which is not ideal because this also is very choppy. It doesn't violate any rules, but it is very choppy. Nevertheless, another 5-wave move, I count it as another wave 1. Other interpretations are possible on the lower time frame, but if this is a wave 1, this here is the relevant support area between 2138 and 1990. That is standard support for a wave 2. So it's the situation we've got everywhere at the moment. We certainly have this first larger 1-2 setup of the 10th of March lows, which indicates the trend has shifted back to the upside. And then most importantly, in the next advance, the previous high was broken, indicating we are in an uptrend, back in an uptrend after this local downtrend finished in our reversal area. So the point is now, can we identify a standard support for the pullback that is occurring now? And yes, we can, of course. So the pullback area is this orange one. It hasn't reached it yet. There is no guarantee it will reach it, but typically it would be good to get some clarity about the wave count, because otherwise it makes a very shallow wave 2. But normally expectations would be to at least pull back to 2138 in a wave 2. Now, depending on what happens today in the market due to the Fed interest rate increase, and maybe if they announce no increase, it might rally directly without getting that deeper pullback. But anybody who added positions here or maybe here is basically prepared. Now you can obviously look at this area as well if you like to. That's your own decision. But what I only try to mention here is that this is a pullback area where I would ideally expect the price to reverse in a wave 2, because it is standard support for the wave 2, which is its standard corrective pattern in Elliott wave. Now, it's just moving sideways at the moment. So there are a few things we can talk about here. It is possible to count this sideways action as a triangle. So it's certainly not impulsive yet. So I might look at this as an A wave to the downside, here a B wave triangle, and a C wave down still to come. We can also say, possibly the ABC structure is already finished, wave 2 is already in, but then it now needs to rally, and the break above the 2340 level would be a very good indication that this is actually going to be the case. It would need to rally above this swing high. If it does, then I have to assume that this wave 2 was already finished. Until I get that signal, my assumption will be that it comes down a bit deeper into the area, but note that this is really just a micro count, doesn't affect at all the higher level scenario. I can count it as a wave 2 complete already if I want to, but it's just that standard support levels haven't been reached. For example, in a wave 2, you would at least expect the 50% retracement. It did that here on the 15th of March, and it did that here on the 10th of March of the relevant support areas. You can see the 50% level was always slightly broken. So maybe that happens again. And then we could look at the third wave rally as long as the 1989 level is holding. Relevant resistances on the way up, as I said, quite a good signal level would be that 2340 level. Then it needs to break above the significant high here, which is at 2680. That's a level we haven't been above for a very long time. And as you can see here, we've got basically a triple top. The first high was made in January, then end of January, and here end of February. So getting above that level will be another important signal that we're actually in that third wave rally. If it all works out, the next rally could be a third wave of a third, so it could be very impulsive. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.